Man, my lifestyle ain't bad for my health. They make me going outside bad for my health. I mean, people talk about, oh man, smoking causes cancer. You know what causes cancer? When you turn your car on, right? Carbon monoxide. You know, when you power your phone, man, they're burning coal somewhere, but who gives a fuck? You know what I mean? You like that power? Fucking gotta pay the piper. That's cause, baby, don't waste your time on me. Are we damaged beyond repair? Have they shattered your hopes and dreams? Are you a lost cause? You know what, man? I'll waste my time